If you're new, press the bell icon to get the latest notifications.
Assalamu alaikum everyone, and welcome back to Bitcoin Update today. Right, so on the 4-hour time frame right now, we still have a very long consolidation, I guess, and this is just a sideways movement at the best. So there's nothing really great about it unless we don't start to get above 23,300 something, and then come back above this pattern here that I've told you yesterday. So on the daily, it seems like there's a formation of a flag that is about to be made, and this flag is getting something like this. Okay, my main focus right now is what is happening on the daily time frame. Closed above this support, closed above that support, bearish closing below the support. Simple. Okay, and since you came down like this, and you could potentially try to attack this trend line once again at 22,800, maybe even touch 23,000 one time, and then get rejected here. Try to take stop losses, because if anyone is trying to short Bitcoin, I think this is a very easy stop loss that can be taken away. It's like a very, very, very rookie stop loss at the moment. I think it's really easy for Bitcoin to take that stop before going to the downside. Now, a better stop loss, in my opinion, is somewhere to $24,000. So basically, if I see Bitcoin trying to manage and get above the, 24,000, I reckon it's gonna go all the way up to the upper resistance, all the way to nearly $27,000, as I said before. So do check that thing out. And on the daily time frame, we still have to look at how Bitcoin looks on the RSI. So here we go. And for me personally, let's actually mark some areas that Bitcoin can fall down to. So here we go. If you do go for the biggest oversold level, this is where Bitcoin support really is. And I would like to see Bitcoin actually coming down here, because it's really near that support line once again. It has been overbought here for the first time in a very long time, ever since you actually went to that overbought department ever since 20 of October. So if you look at 20 of October 2021, that's the last time you went to that overbought department. But it still went to that resistance of that I've talked about with you. I'm not going to go through that. This is like the falling wedge resistance where you're getting rejected at. Now, if you do actually end up coming up here to 27,000, we're going to have a very different pattern, by the way, and that means we're breaking above the falling wedge. Yeah, we're going to break above the falling wedge. So if you look at it, this is a very big whooping falling wedge. 1, 2, 3. Chances are it comes down to even $13,000. But if you end up coming up to 27,000, you're actually breaking the wedge. And if you do come down for the retest, there's going to be a very different pattern, and you can come down for the retest near 20,000 again, and then from there try to shoot back up to the all-time high, which is going to be the technical target of the falling wedge. So that's pretty much it for this Bitcoin update, and I'm going to see you in the next one. Hello, Hafiz.